Suffering with bald spots? No worries. Simply take any eyeshadow shade which is the closest match to your hair color or even your eyebrow powder, then dab it onto the bald spots. It's as simple as that. To make it stay in place and last for hours, then you can spritz your hairspray on top of this powder. Do you have grey hair? Then it's very easy to fix. Take your mascara and just coat it black. Isn't it the easiest hack ever? This mascara can also be used as a quick fix to keep the flyaway hair in place. Another method to fix the flyaway hair is to use hairspray. Take a teasing comb like this and spritz the hairspray onto the comb and brush your hair slowly. If you don't have a teasing comb like this, then use a new toothbrush. Next hack is actually how to use your UPin correctly. So insert the pin in the outward direction of the bun, then twist it and turn it into the inside of the bun and push it completely. I hope I made sense. If you are confused, I will repeat once again. Insert in the outward direction, twist and turn the pin in the inward direction and push it completely inside the bun. This way, your bun will stay securely even if you move around jumping and dancing. Keep in mind, you need to use pins all around the bun in the same way. The next hack is also a UPin hack. It is how to secure your hair accessories properly. So, when you are trying to fix hair accessory, instead of using bobby pins and fixing them on plain hair, use this technique of creating a base for the accessory and using UPin to secure it. So, create a base by doing normal 3-strand braid and place the accessory on top of the braid, and using the UPin techniques which I showed earlier, secure the accessory. Repeat the process with other pins too. The braid which we created as the base holds the U-pins properly, and the U-pins will be light on the head and they don't pinch your scalp like the bobby pins. Need heatless volume in the front without teasing? Then you need these Velcro rollers in your life. Just take the front section of the hair and comb it neatly without any tangles. Place the roller at the end of the hair and roll it inwards to the scalp. Once you touch the scalp, just press the rollers towards the scalp. That's it. Leave it for 10 minutes or so. Once you remove it, you can witness nice volume to the hair, and also the hair falls beautifully onto the face by giving nice shape and frame to the face. And we are on to the last but the most important and useful hack. Want to achieve high front puff without heating or teasing? Then simply section the hair which you want to keep as puff and flip it downwards and comb the hair by applying some pressure. This step adds volume to the section of the hair when we flip our hair back, and simply adjust the puff according to your face shape, twist the hair and secure it with bobby pins. Your beautiful front puff is ready without any teasing and heat. So that's it guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed and found these hacks useful. If you do so, you know what to do. Like this video, share this with all your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you in my another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.